Hello everybody and welcome back to another visual pattern challenge. Here's our pattern today. Here's step 1, here's step 2, here's step 3, and your challenge is to determine how many dice are going to be in step 4. If you can do that, can you determine the number of dice in step 43? And can you write an equation that could be used to determine the number of dice in any step at all? That's the challenge. If you'd like to accept it, pause the video, see how far you can get. All right, so we've definitely got something interesting going on here, and it's expanding really rapidly. We start with 3, and then I don't know how many are there, but a lot, and even more there. So it looks like it's going to get pretty big by the time we get to the end. Luckily for us, they've helped us by color coding things. So we've got this yellow, this red, and this white, and I think we should take these one by one and figure out what's going on with them. So let's just look at the yellow. First it's 1, and then there's 2 yellow dice, and then there's 3 yellow dice. So yellow, to me, just looks like the step number. So it's just X. So the number of yellow dice here is going to be 4 yellows. All right, let's figure out what's happening with the red. And maybe you can see this already. I've got 1 here, and then I've got, well, 4 if I could see them all. And this is really a 2 by 2 square of red dice. And then, oh, this is a 3 by 3 square of red dice. So 1, 4, 9, or the squares that you can see, a 1 by 1 square, a 2 by 2 square, a 3 by 3 squared. So the red appears to be x squared. So I would think that for step 4, we'd have 16 of the red. So 4 yellow, 16 red. And let's look at the white. So first we have 1, and then we have, well, this is a cube, a 2 by 2 cube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 there. And then a 3 by 3 cube. So that would be 3 cubed is 27. So I would suggest that we would have a cube here for the white dice. That would be a 4 by 4 by 4 cube. And that 4 cubed is 64. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. So there'd be 64 there. So you can see even by step 4, we're getting pretty darn big. So 64 and 16 would be 80, and plus 4 more would be 84. So I think we're going to have 84 dice in step 4. And let me complete this sort of set of notes I was taking. The white looks like the step number cubed. And rather than make a chart and analyze the numbers and take the differences, I think we have what we need here. We're seeing visually a cube, a square, and just the step number. And those all just get added together to get the number of dice. So I think our equation is going to be y equals x cubed plus x squared plus x, or white plus red plus yellow. So just to show how this works, I'll put it in 1 or 2 steps here. So y would equal 1 cubed plus 1 squared plus 1. Well, those would all be 1s. That would add up to 3. That's how many dice we have. How about in 2? That would be 2 cubed plus 2 squared plus 1. 2 cubed is 8. 2 squared is 4. So that's 12 plus 1 is 13. Oh, sorry, plus 2, plus the step number, not plus 1, plus 2. So this would be 14 then. And what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, it checks out. You can check this with step 3 if you like. I think we've got it. So our equation is y equals x cubed plus x squared plus x. So to calculate the number in step 43, we're just going to cube 43 and square 43 and have 43 itself and add them all together. So 43 cubed plus 43 squared plus 43. And let's see, I'm going to use my calculator here. Looks like 43 cubed is 79,507, and 43 squared is 1849, and then we have 43. If we add all that together, it looks like we're getting 81,399 dice in step 43. Well, how did that go for you? Did you get 84 for the next step? Were you able to see the square and the cube in here right away, or did that take some thinking? I'd love to hear. Thanks, everybody.